Glad I came back over here. What was this thing that was going to defrost? (2011) 310. The YCC was relocated with a new unit. Oh wow. '69 defrosts. Man, that sun angle is just perfect, isn't it? If only this thing could defrost. Actually, this is enough. That steam show. Those look awesome. I swear, Lennox and Rheem are pretty much the same, act the same, they just have different fan grills. I mean, look at the similarities in the coils. They look they have very similar coils. Similar smart shift sound, yeah. Alright, there's a Lennox defrost. Wasn't expecting to get a defrost, but yeah, anyways, here it is. 2011 310. Man, I'm really making my stuff come true. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.